see the Mariners score at least one more run before they get to the fifth.
Got a squirrel. Hey, pal, did you pay?
Down center field, maybe trying to get a Sizemore autograph.
Here, Budweiser sign. Give it new meaning to grab some buds.
You have a double tail?
Yeah, he does. The left fielder don't get so aware. They just took a look. Look, someone left his old jelly. All of a sudden, he snuck a look before the fence. All right. Is it clear? Yeah. A little skedaddle. That's not what they expected to see at the ball game. That's funny. Payoff here to Pena, man aboard, 4-4 game.
Take a look at Shelly Duncan out in left field.
You had the squirrel in 10 seconds. You win.